Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad T495, and in this video I will show you how to change device name on this laptop. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. In Settings, select System, then go to About, and then select Rename this PC. Now enter the new name into this field. Don't use spaces. Then click Next to confirm. After that, to apply changes, you have to restart your PC. You can do it right now by clicking Restart Now, or do it later. In such case, click Restart Later, and then restart your computer later, and once you do it, your laptop's device name will change. Let me restart the computer right now to show you the result. Now, go back into Settings. And here is the new name of your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.